Hi, today I'm going to help you with your first contribution on GitHub. How to make your first contribution on GitHub. I made my first contribution on GitHub and I will help you by letting on my whole thought process of how I made my first contribution on GitHub, what I was thinking, and everything. I know a lot of students struggle with making their first contribution on GitHub and they think it always have to be this big chunk of code and or a very great feature, or they have to contribute to a very big organization and they're very confused which organization they should be contributing to. First, I would say your first contribution doesn't always have to be code. It can be any feature you think, it can be any bug you spot, it can be any issue. And how you would be able to, because it's the aim should be to you shouldn't be aiming like a very huge organization which you are completely unaware of, something which you are familiar with, something which you've already used, so you know what changes could be done. This feature could be added to make it more better, or this is the problem I faced, so how I should fix this problem and how I can make it better. So that's how the thinking process should be. And that's why what I use every day I chose is Microsoft Edge. I use it a lot for browsing, and I use other browsers like Brave, but yeah. So here, a simple issue I raised today is about the background. You can see the background right now looks good, great, right? That's because it's locally hosted. Here, I'm going to show you edit background. This was my own background. Let's choose from their backgrounds something. Okay, this looks pretty. Let's choose this. It's fine, it's looking okay here because of the colors, but there you can see that part looks so pixelated. It makes the look, when backgrounds are used to make the look appealing, rich, it's making it look cheap actually. So that's where I thought like the enhancement could be done. This could be improved. And how this could be improved? First, I had to be confirmed whether it's pixelated or not, and I tried to find the code. I tried to look where is this background property, and this is what I found is nothing. I just found nothing, there is not much available here. And also Microsoft Edge is not open source, its code is not open source. So here you see background image, it's none. That means they are probably taking it from where? Here they're taking from this set, and this set, these background pictures, you can see Getty images, somebody has made them. Let's view the background. See, let's click on this. These are hosted from internet. People have created them, and these are not hosted in such good quality as you can just see here. All right, so yeah, that's what I thought could be changed for the better. And then also, just exploring this, I found a new thing, which is, you see, change new background daily. You can toggle between all these. But what I realized, you can only upload one picture of yours here. And the one picture I uploaded was good enough. It's good enough, its quality is good enough, and let me tell you, this is just a screenshot, but still its quality is fine. And then if I try to add more locally, upload image, I'm gonna go try uploading some image here, and would that be, this? Would that be, would that be this? 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 Would that All right, here, the other picture is just gone. That means this has only space for one picture that I can upload by myself. And it shouldn't be like this because these pictures are good. They are good quality. So I should be able to customize them by my own choice. That would be great, a better change. So that can also be raised. And then let's see. Let's change new background daily. See? Can you see my background just changed automatically? That's because it's not allowing me to toggle between my own hosted pictures. See, if I upload image locally, it's not allowing me to toggle this new background daily option. That means it cannot switch. So what I thought of is what I want to improve in this is that first of all, better quality pictures. So maybe these could be uploaded in higher resolution or in some other forms, not raster, but maybe vector. But yeah, vector would be difficult, so that's another part. So I'm saying is let me upload my own pictures. I'll upload them locally, a lot of, maybe a folder. I can just upload pictures full of my own choices, a folder of pictures here, and then let me toggle between them, and then they can change new background daily between my own pictures. The quality will be improved, customization is there, and visuals are good. That's what, and then that's what I wrote here. And just because Microsoft Edge, I told you, does not have no code there, and so cannot pull any issues or requests there. So that's why I've erased this under MS Edge Explainers, and I raised a new issue, and I could not find a tag for this. So yeah, there this is my first issue. So I would suggest just start somewhere. Just find some problem and try to solve it out. Don't just, try to contribute for the sake of those contributions there, the green, boxes you want to see on your profile of GitHub. Just try to contribute for a cause. If you think that way, if you do a really tiny change and shift in your mindset, you'll probably find there is a lot of things you can do for the betterment of community. That's how I made my first change, and you can also make your first change. So I would suggest you do it right now. That's all. Thank you for joining, and please do subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned.